Hello all. I am Queen Yashika of Hello and welcome to another episode of Hood Parenting. I am your host Yashika. If you are returning, then welcome back home to the neighborhood. And if this is your first time here, I hope that by the end of this video you will feel inclined or inspired to go ahead and pick a block, build you a big old house, and settle right into the neighborhood. All right, y'all, let's get into today's video. And if you do not know, today's dinner consists of Chacha as well as some sweet potatoes and some salmon. Now listen, the sweet potatoes and the salmon, I'm going to put them in the old air fry, and you're going to see that. Now the Chacha, you know, that's some good old cabbage with some vegetables and some different meats into it. Now I got to actually cook this with everything else, baby. I'm going to slide it right on in that air fryer. But listen, that's not why I'm here today. I'm really here today to talk about the purpose and the meaning and the mission and all of the things I see from my channel here at Hood Parenting. Now, to give you a little backstory in case you are new here, back in May, I decided to do this whole series where I call Vlogging Until I Get Monetized. Now, as of today, I have vlogged for 2 months and I have created 25 vlogs, okay? Because in the beginning, I was vlogging every day and uploading a vlog. But then I realized that was too much, and then plus on top of that, my life was just not that interesting to keep on recording myself every day. However, what it did do is it showed me more of what it is that I want to actually deliver on my channel. Hood parenting is helping you understand what shaped you so you can intentionally build what comes next. I personally believe that everything is connected. The way we parent, the way we communicate, the way we love, set boundaries. Even the way that we speak to ourselves sometimes is influenced by our experiences that we may not fully understand until we become adults. So here on Hood Parenting, we get to explore those connections with curiosity, accountability, compassion, and practical life lessons. My goal isn't to tell you what to think, it's to encourage you to think differently about the life you're building. Here on my channel, I personally don't believe that where you started is where you need to finish. I believe that awareness creates opportunities, and when we start to believe that our stories gives us power, then we can definitely write a better one. But most importantly, I also believe that when we know better, we do better. And so you'll quickly discover that this isn't just a parenting channel. Hood parenting is a way of thinking. And we all know that parenting isn't just about raising children. In some instances, it's about reparenting ourselves, examining the beliefs that we inherited, recognizing those unhealthy patterns, strengthening healthy ones, and becoming better leaders in every area of our life. But also on this channel, you will find a little bit of everything, because just like everybody else, I am trying to figure it out. Like my parenting dynamic right now, parenting my daughter of 12 years old, is something that I've never experienced before. And so I will live my life out loud, and I hope that you are inclined or you feel inspired to follow along on this journey with me. Because if you are looking for authenticity, if you are looking for someone that does not have all the answers, someone who is not perfect, then you found the right channel. And so listen, I hope you gain something from this. I hope you feel inspired to subscribe And go ahead on and just finish watching me cook this good old Chacha and some sweet potatoes and some salmon, honey, because this was one of them lazy cook days, okay? One of them lazy cook days. But I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will talk to you guys in the next one.
provide for my children. If you're not able to give financially, that's okay. One of my biggest ways you can support me is simply for watching my videos all the way through, leaving a like, dropping a comment, and sharing them through your family and friends. Every view, every share, every comment, every bit of support bring me one step closer to reaching my goal. Thank you to everyone continue to show up for me, encourage me, and believe in me. I don't take any of you for granted. I truly believe better days are coming, and I